The Mushroom Kingdom was finally free of King Koopa's tumultuous troublemaking. Mario and Luigi had chased the rascally reptile into a banishment zone and sealed the entrance with 10,000 bricks. Then, after posing for hero statues and being feted with a kingdom-wide gourmet victory feast, our brave plumbers returned home to Brooklyn. But when the peaceful mushroom people least expected it, King Koopa escaped. Vowing to finally get his villainy right this time, Koopa blasted back to the Mushroom Kingdom in his flying battle wagon, the Doom Ship, and revealed the wildest, weirdest, wackiest danger any Nintendo world has ever faced. King Koopa's kids, Bully Koopa, Big Mouth Koopa Jr., Kooky Von Koopa, Cheatsy Koopa, Cootie Pie Koopa, and the last of the litter, twins Hip and Hop. Now it was Koopa plus 7 Koopalings, and the peaceful Mushroom Kingdom faced 700 times the pandemonium. Princess Toadstool sent an urgent call for help. Only the Super Mario Brothers could stop the Royal Koopa and his obnoxious offspring from wreaking their half-baked havoc. And Super Mario 3, the Super Mario's super mirthful adventures had begun.